Now, how RFID technology works. First, let's talk about the tagging technology. Our focus here is really on passive RFID when we refer to throughout this session RFID. Now, there are many benefits to using passive RFID. With passive, it may be no mystery that it's not involved with the use of any battery source to power it. So passive RFID means zero maintenance on RFID tags, no batteries to ever replace with this technology, which also means that it's very cost effective compared with other technologies, and particularly those that are battery powered tags. But perhaps the most significant benefit is its versatility. So with passive RFID technology, there are hundreds of tag types to choose from in order to apply to a variety of different asset types, either containers, boxes, or the parts in the inventory themselves. And the reason why there are hundreds of tags in the marketplace is because there are many different configurations, surface types, applications, read ranges that go into checking to selecting a specific tag for the right application. But again, the versatility is enormous versus any other RFID on the market. So for example, we work with manufacturers every day that want to track product assemblies through a production line, as well as the gauges and calibration tools that are being required inside a manufacturing environment. We also work with rental companies that want to track, for example, tents moving to and from events, or to track industrial equipment that's being supplied out to construction sites. We work with warehouses that want to track inventory receipts, storage, and eventual shipments. And we even work with IT departments to track laptops, smartphones, and other company-issued IT equipment. So there's so many different applications, but let's take a look at the three very basic items that we have here. We have three containers, if you will. You have a corrugated box, you've got a tote, and then you've got a Pelican case. So the question you ought to start asking yourself is, what is more important in which to track? Is it the container with contents inside, or is it the actual asset itself that's inside the container? Or perhaps it's both, depending upon how you're set up. There's lots of questions that go in and around how you may want to tag a particular asset, but no one thing is that a tag must be compatible with the surface. And when selecting a tag, you're always balancing the performance of the surface you're putting it on to make sure that you get the proper read range of that RF signal, in addition to the balance of the cost that you're using to spend to invest in that particular tag type, because there's a great range of costs associated with tags depending upon the surface that they go on. So think about the container or the part based on how it is that you want to be tagging and what is your end goal for visibility of these items moving within your four walls or even perhaps outside your four walls. The other thing to note here, though, is it's important to focus on standards-based RFID tags, and that is what I call Epc Encoded Tags, which is the standards organization that supports the encoding. So that means that no matter what tag you select in the end, you've got readers that can consistently read those standard-based tags and the tag IDs that are encoded within them.